Okay, this is the first video in the Hades Mega's DR650 restoration vlog. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the seat. So we're not going to put the seat back on, we're going to put this one back on, this just plain black one. It's softer. This cover is like so hard, it's like it's been sitting in the sun baking. I'm going to take this off. If anybody would like a blue seat, let me know. Probably sell it to you for like 20 bucks or something. So there's the battery. I don't know what kind of battery it is. It looks like it's a non-maintenance battery. Oh, look at this. This has a battery thing to hold the battery down. Mine doesn't have that. Yeah, mine doesn't have a battery thing like this. I've never seen that before. Oh, so they cut the airbox on this. It has a K&N filter. So we found that out. It's got a K&N filter. So we can clean that. I guess we should clean it. It looks like some dirt has fallen in there from sitting in the backyard. So there's the battery. Oh boy. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. I'm not gonna lie. My dad did put this battery kind of tender adapter here, so maybe we're gonna have to go find that charger. Because the battery tender doesn't go on that. This is a Molex connector, so we'll go find that. That's actually a Tamiya connector. Yeah, that, or we can take this bar off. Yeah, let's just take the bar off. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. And then we gotta take this gas tank off also. Yeah, because we gotta figure out what's wrong with this freaking cable. All right, here's my go. Okay, so I wound up taking the little battery brace thing off. And I got the battery charger plugged in there. This is Odyssey battery charger. It's a very good charger. And it's a little red light here that means one of three things. It's either reverse polarity, positive, negative, okay, poor connections. I'm pretty sure that's connected straight to the battery, man. Yeah. Could be these wires here. Okay, or battery too low too low to charge. Okay. Well, so this battery may be bad, so we may have to buy a new one. Which kind of sucks because I don't really want to spend money on this bike. So let's go hook up a voltmeter to it and. Okay, so pretty much 0 volts. I'm pretty sure that battery is freaking toast. You let it sit for too damn long. So one thing we can try to do is we could try to jump start the battery. We can try to hook up another charger, hook up a jumper battery to it, which I have over here. So I'm gonna take this little jumper pack here, plug it in for a little while, and then see if we can get it to charge. I don't know how good this battery is. I think this is a stock battery or something. Yeah, so anyway, it's 0.03 volts. It's freaking dead. But what we'll do is hook this up, then we'll try to hook the charger up after. See if we can bring it back to life. Okay, here we go. I got my trusty Harbor Freight jumper pack hooked up, and I'm gonna go switch it on right now. So let's go look. Let's see. Let's check this out. So this is the little charge meter here, little voltmeter. And I'm gonna flick it to on, and let's see how fast it goes down. It does nothing. So that means it's not. It's like there's no battery hooked up at all. It's pretty freaking bad. Yeah, it's not doing anything. All right, that's no bueno. Yeah. It's got a good connection. Yeah, not doing anything. Okay. Hey, but look at that. The trail tech turned on. Maybe we can power the lights at least. Let's try that. Switch it on. You know, my dad freaking lost the key to this bike, and I had to drill the fucking old thing out. Okay, there we go. So the light works. What's a bright light? I think it's got a Cyclops bulb on it. It's really bright. Wow. Yeah, that's a stock light. Well, it says Stanley. pretty bright. Maybe the stock light is really bright. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. That's a crank. Oh yeah, I forgot. Mine has a different one. I modified mine. The neutral indicator is not even on, man. And I'm pretty sure it's not in gear. I never put it in gear, man. Oh, maybe it is. Oh, it is. It was in gear. Good thing it didn't just take off on me then. Nothing. Maybe it needs a clutch. Oh, here we go. Okay, well that doesn't sound good. It's not starting with the jump starter. Should start with the jump starter. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Okay, anyway. Looks like that battery's toast. What I'm gonna try to do is try to plug it in at the same time. So I've hooked up the jumper pack, but it's like there was no battery hooked up at all. And it says it's charging now, so that's a good thing. But it may just be charging my jumper pack. So as you can see, if I push the button here, it says it's charging it. So we'll see after that's done charging. We'll come back later and then we'll unhook it. And then we'll see if there's any voltage, and if not, pretty sure that battery is done. We'll have to buy a new battery and put it in there. And then we'll go strip the tank off. I think there's a fuel line. I don't know why he hooked up the fuel line direct to. Why? This looks like it needs a new fuel line too. The fuel line is all hard and crap, like it's gonna break right away. There's also no vacuum line for the petcock. I think the IMS tank that was on this before, which he freaking threw away, had a fuel valve that didn't have the vacuum line on it. So we're gonna have to. I don't know what's on the other tank, so we're gonna have to run another vacuum line so the fuel will flow to the motor. Kind of like the KLR. The KLR is like that. Yeah, look at this. Some disconnected valve here. Might as well just take it out. It's not hooked up to anything. I believe that the previous owner took out all the smog equipment. The canister, charcoal canister, is not there anymore. We don't really have to do anything, but it's a little. There's a little less hoses. Yeah, see, there's a wiring diagram. There's a hose diagram right here. My DR doesn't have this either. But yeah, there's the canister. There's a check valve right there. There's that check valve, and then that goes to the tank here somewhere. Yeah, there's a line on the tank somewhere. And we'll have to take this gas tank out, and we'll have to take this tank out regardless. So we'll check the battery later, and then if the battery needs to be replaced, then I'll go order the battery, and then we'll start working on the carb. We'll pull the tank off. I've already taken one of the bolt that was holding it off, so I think it should just come right out after we take that line off. I'm pretty sure if I tugged on that line hard enough, it would crack. So it definitely needs a new fuel line for sure. So we'll put a new fuel line on it. Yeah. So this thing looks like it's a rusty. Maybe we can take that off while we're working on it. We can go repaint it. Other than that, bike looks great, dude. The paint on the bike looks great. It's in really good shape compared to my bike. But it's stock DR, dude. It's not the most impressive machine in the world, I'll tell you that now. It's been a while since I've ridden a stock DR. Alright, so yeah, we're charging the battery. So we'll come back and we'll see how it is later. Alright, here's me go. Also, I do want to point out that the front tire had 8 psi in it, and the back tire had 11 psi. So I inflated it to 25 and 28 in the back, since it's a street bike, so it should be good. All right, so it's got air in the tires. Next thing we should probably do is check the oil. I don't know when the last time he freaking changed oil on this thing either. So Yeah, I don't know. We should probably just change the oil. But let's get it running first before we change the oil. We'll make sure it has oil in it for sure. But yeah. All right, here's my go. Okay, here's my hair. It's the next day, and I just so I just unplugged the jumper pack from the battery, and I hooked it from the battery charger, and then I hooked the battery charger up to the battery, and it's doing some crazy stuff right now. It's saying it's doing a self test, and it's saying the battery's bad, and then it goes to self test, battery's bad, and it kind of checks it. I think this battery is toast. So I think we're gonna have to order a new one. I'm gonna order the cheapest one I could find. Yeah, so I'll let it play with that for like 5 minutes. If it's not charging it, it looks like it's kind of charging it. See, it's red. It looks like it's got something in it now. So that's definitely an improvement over last night. But we'll see. I'll let it do that testing and stuff for about 5 minutes, and then if it doesn't do anything, or if it just says a bad battery, then we're just gonna chuck this battery. But we'll put the multimeter on it to see what kind of voltage the battery has, and then yeah. So all right, here's my go. Okay, sorry I've been kind of busy the last couple days, but yeah, the charger is not charging. That battery is dead. I can show you. It had like, I checked how much voltage it was, and it was like 1 volt or something. Yeah, so it kind of helped a little bit. It's almost 2 volts, like 1.8, 1.9. I don't even need. And I'll tell you this multimeter is not very accurate. So there's about 1 volt charge in that battery. I guess we managed to charge it a little bit, you know, but it's not enough. You got to get it to like 12 volts. So. All right, so that battery's done. I went and ordered a new battery also in the meantime, so we'll wait for that to get back. So what I got going on for today, it's Thanksgiving Day, and we're going to pull the tank today. So we're just going to pull the tank, and if I feel like it, we'll pull the carb too. We have to figure out why the carb is not, why this is not moving. This is supposed to be moving. All right. Yeah, so I unplugged the charger, and I hooked up the voltmeter again, and it's saying it's like there's 3 volts now. So I don't know what was happening, why the voltage was lower with the battery charger hooked up. So, but anyway, I'm pretty sure that battery's dead. So.